Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Prince Akurando, and in this video, I'll be sharing several WordPress plugins you need to use in order for you to stop losing traffic. As you know, traffic is a big deal when it comes to blogging. If you have a blog and then you're not generating traffic, you're going to be in a huge problem, right? And in this particular video, my focus is to show you some plugins that I've tested over the years, some which I'm still using, all of it I'm still using, and I'll be showing you what you need to do in order for you to generate more traffic to your blog and stop losing traffic. Okay, now if you're someone who uses WordPress, you should know that WordPress makes life very easy. If you check the link below, you'll see where I have a course on where I shared about how you can start creating your blog. So you can get a course where you watch me step by step create a blog and show you how you can monetize it, or you can as well grab the blog like a boss book where I've shared several hacks or several approaches explained with images on how you can build your blog. So whether you get a book or you get the video, it is up to you. Now in this particular video, my focus, like I said earlier, is simple. I'll be showing you plugins that you need to utilize if you're looking to generate more traffic to your blog. And the first I have here is what we call used SEO. So this used SEO is a WordPress plugin you use in selecting the kind of keywords you want to rank for, and then it's going to help you rank for those keywords. So now if you check around online marketing and blogging as a whole, you will know that getting people to view your content is a lot of work. But I love what used SEO did. Now used SEO makes it possible for you to even get ideas of the kind of keywords you can rank for based on what your content is about. Now when you come to use.com, you just have to navigate to their blog and read the features that they have. And the interesting thing about Use is that they have a free plugin and then they have a pro plugin. Now their free plugin kind of has some limits. It limits you to ranking for just one keyword, whereas their pro plugin allows you to rank for more than 4 keywords. Now what you want to do is when you come over here, you can just click on Get Used SEO. Now when you click on Get this Used SEO, you will see several things that this plugin does for you, and you can see the benefit that you're getting for this particular plugin. Okay, so when you come here, you can see that this particular plugin, you can create SEO friendly content. Right now, if you come here, you can see that they outline the things that you've done so that you know what you need to fix and what hasn't been fixed yet. You can see we have outbound links, good job. We have key phrase length, we have meta description length, and all of this. So anything that you are doing that is not right or wouldn't help you rank, they are going to analyze your content and suggest the things that you can do in order for you to rank better. And also they even give you the option of telling you, hey, you can interlink this particular post to this particular post in order for you to generate more traffic and get people to be on your blog and read more of your content. Okay, and also you can see that there's also a redirection link here. Maybe you wrote a post in the past and you deleted the post or something happened, you just had to move away a post, but then that post has been getting traffic. You can just redirect that link to your other your other pages, put the other pages on your website, and with Yoast plugin you can do just that. Okay, now all you need to do is, like I said, if you come here, you're going to scroll down and then you can see what this particular plugin can do for you. So you see the premium feature and then you see the free feature. So for this particular free one, you get access to all of the SEO training courses, which means that when you buy this particular plugin, they are still going to train you on how you're going to use this plugin. You're not paying for those ones, right? So you pay to get access, and then you get access to the SEO trainings that you need to do. You get access to all the premium features that would help you save time. You get access to know more about the readability analysis of your blog. You get access to several linking features, direction of pages. You can even ask the support team questions, right? And there are several other things that you can achieve with this particular plugin. And if you want, you can just start out with the free one just to test out how the plugin works. But it's something that I've used to rank for several keywords on Google, and you as well can use the same thing for yourself. Now all you need to do is to head over to just click on the link in the description, and then you get access to Use SEO plugin, and you can install it and take it off from there. And the beautiful thing about Use is that they have a YouTube channel, right? You can go to their YouTube channel, and then what you want to do is to head over to youtube.com and then search for Use SEO. When you do that, or search for the used YouTube channel, when you do that, you get access to several videos that they have, and you can learn from there. It's as simple as that. Then now the second plugin I want to show you is called Revive Social. Now what Revive Social does is it helps you to revive your old posts. Now there will be times when you have several blog posts on your channel, and you may not have all the time to go out and reshare those old posts. Now what this plugin does for you is that it reshares your old blog posts on several social media handles. As you can see, you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business. You can share your posts, your pages, your images, whatever you want you to share. You can even share more than once. You can even share more than once. So for me, I do automate my posts to go out, so I can have them at an interval of 1 hour or 2 hours. You can decide on the timeline that you want, and you can also add hashtags from categories and all. And you can even, when you're hitting publish on your website or on your blog, and you want this particular plugin to help you post on Twitter or several social media platforms at the same time, you can do that, so that you don't have to go on to share them individually. So when you click publish, it shares this blog post across your social media handles. You can do just that. Now when you come over to my Twitter, you can see that these are posts that are powered by this particular plugin. You see they share this blog post, they share this one as well, and then when you keep scrolling down, you can see that whenever these blog posts are being posted, they share it on my Twitter handle without me being there. It's something that you can do for yourself, and you wouldn't regret it. Now the top plugin I want to show you is called Social Warfare. Now Social Warfare is a social sharing plugin. When you check below this particular video, right on your screen, you can see share Facebook, you can see Twitter 158.9k, you can see Pinterest, you can see LinkedIn, you can see other ones as well. Now what this plugin does for you is that it helps you share, or helps your readers share your blog posts across several social media platforms. Now when you come over to this my blog, you can see this particular post that I published on November 3rd, and then you can see this share button. So when you click on this Twitter, and then click on Twitter this way, there's gonna be a prompt for you to share on Twitter, and all you need to do is to head on and click on tweet, and that particular post has been sent on Twitter. Now when you go over to my Twitter account and then click on profile, let me show you something pretty quickly. You're gonna see that this particular tweet has been shared already on my timeline. Right now let me show you this. Okay, so let's scroll down. You can see how to sell your products online with our website, and it even added my my Twitter handle so that people can as well follow me. So you can head over to Google and search for social. You can search for warfare plugins, or click the link in the description, so it brings you on this page, and then you can go on to utilize the plugin to do whatever you want to do. I hope that makes sense. Now the next plugin I want to show you is called 404 Direct. So what I use this plugin to do is, there are times in the past that I've uploaded images, or I've created content and then I deleted those content, or maybe someone is trying to access my website and maybe they make a mistake in the URL. All this plugin does for me is that it redirects them from the page to my homepage, so that I don't lose that traffic. So how this thing works basically is, when you come here, let me just give you an instance. So when you type Prince Akurando, and then let's say we add 333, right, and then click on enter, see what's going to happen here. Instead of redirecting them to a 404 page, it's going to take them to my homepage, which is what you are currently seeing right now, so that way I don't lose out on that traffic. So you can go ahead and click on the link in the description, right, and then download this particular plugin and install it in your website. So what I will do for you is that any 404 error link, or people that visit your website, maybe they made a mistake or something, or maybe you shared a post in the past and deleted it, and you couldn't really adjust that link, it will still, don't worry about it, it will still direct them to your homepage, or to any page at all that you wanted them, or any page you wanted to direct them to your homepage, and then they can take it off from there to do anything that you want to do, right? I hope that makes sense for you. Now the last plugin I want to show you, which is what I've been testing out in the past and it's been working, is what we call OptinMonster. So this OptinMonster, it helps you to convert and monetize your website traffic, right? So you have light box, you have floating bars, which you can add at the top of your blog right here. We have scroll boxes, which are things that people will see why on on reading your blog post. So while people are reading your blog post, you can just promote another blog post by the side here, which helps you get more traffic and keep them on the website. Or you can even have is it intent detection. So when people are viewing your blog and then they want to go out, like they want to close the tab, there's going to be a pop-up telling them, hey, you can check out this blog post before you go. So for you just want to be strategic and make sure that you are utilizing these things the right way. So what you want to do is to click the link in the description, and then you're gonna get access to this particular plugin, and you can use it to do whatever you want to do. You can see 1.2 million websites are using OptinMonster to turn their traffic into subscribers, leads, and sales, and you can as well use the same thing for yourself. So it's a little navigation on their website. You can see several things that you can achieve with this. So beautiful, you can create beautiful lead capture forms. You can create multi-form types, right? You can do A/B testing. You can do page level targeting. I know these things may look like grammar to you if you don't really understand what they mean, but then going through this description, you can easily, grasp what these plugins is doing for you and the things that you can use the plugin for. And all I need you to do is, navigate these plugins one after the other, from Yoast to Revive to, Social Warfare to 404 and OptinMonster. You just have to go through them one after the other and check the ones that are important to you, right? And utilize them for your blogging, and you wouldn't regret it. Okay, so if you have any comments at all, you have any feedback, or maybe you've tried out any of these plugins, you can share your experience in the comment section. Or there are other plugins that you use as well that you would like people to know. You can state it below and state the importance, and people will check it out. So if you like this video, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I post videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified about them. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video.